Yeah, thank you. Good afternoon. Just a few words from my side. So my name is Ralf Kawinski. I'm working for Siemens Mobility, but today I'm speaking in my role as ERAC chair. ERAC is a European Rail Research Advisory Council, advising the European Commission about topics of research which the community thinks are necessary to be addressed. And it's interesting, and I'm happy to see that a research project like this one, leading to innovative approaches, are still ongoing. So we have the latest discussions. I got the impression everything is just only dealing in rail with reliability, work on compensation of investments, which not have been done in a sufficient way in the last years and so on. Railways claim about their problems about punctuality and so on and so on. And sometimes real innovation hides a bit behind those discussions, and I'm happy to see with today's event that there are projects, and in our advice as ERAC for the future research, we insist on having money available to continue with this or with other projects like these in order to bring innovations to the railways. And that is, from my point, very, very important. As we can see here with POTS for Rail, somebody told to me, well, will we really see the POTS somewhere in the rail? I said, yes, we will see POTS, maybe not 100% in the way we're discussing today, but we are researchers here, and research is a way forward to a new system. And as we saw in the agenda, many topics needs to be addressed: materials, energy, the size, and so on and so on. But in the end, everything is going forward to one, to fulfill or to address one target and one requirement, and that comes from the society, namely to have a smooth mobility in also in rail or in public transport generally, addressing not only high-speed trains along 150 kilometers or more, but also addressing door-to-door connection. And with this research project here, you produced, or you made a proposal for door-to-door connection and with flexible modules and with a flexible system, addressing the needs for both, by the way, and that is really interesting, freight and passengers, or passengers and freight, how you pronounce it, decide yourself. So that we see here a solution which is really available to be or suitable to be a solution to work against transport poverty, for example, in rural areas, but also in improve flexibility for different needs of users. And I am keen to see the results of the project, so we see, for example, the models here. For those who are online, you can maybe not see it, unfortunately, but there are some models of the POTS and the vehicles for the POTS visible here. And yeah, as I said, I'm curious to see the results, and I'm glad to be here to follow the session for today and tomorrow. Thank you very much.